Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to use the shape builder tool in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start by choosing a few random shapes and overlapping them. Now we have our shapes created and overlapped, we want to select all of the shapes and then go to the shape builder tool. To start with, we're going to remove some of the elements that we don't want by holding Alt and clicking down on these corners here as an example. Now we've removed all of the elements of the shape that we don't want, to combine all of the remaining elements together, you just want to click and drag across. This will combine those two sections of the shape together to make one solid shape. And this is what we're left with after doing all of that. And I think this looks like a good basis for a badge style logo. So we're going to take this a step further and add some extra elements and then use the shape builder once again to refine a design. To do this, I'm just going to start by adding a series of shapes and just overlapping them and creating a rough layout as to what I want. And as before, once we have everything down that we want, we're going to select everything and then click on the shape builder tool and start removing elements and combining elements as we go along until we're left with something that we're happy with. You'll see that this is a really easy way to get rid of the elements that go outside of the badge or protrude below the baseline that I created earlier as well. It's also a good way of cutting out those intersections of the mountains that I've laid out. It makes the whole process very easy. The shape tool is actually very easy to use, and it's just a case of alt-clicking areas that you want to remove and dragging and clicking areas you want to combine. It's a simple process, and if you find yourself with overlapping areas of your design, then go ahead and select that shape building tool and have a little play around and see what you can come up with. As always, I hope you found this quick tutorial useful. If you did, I'd really appreciate you dropping a like on the video and subscribing to the channel. And if you have any questions, please feel free to pop them down into the comment section. Until next time, stay creative.